I thank you for the opportunity to share with you our activities of entity data according to digital insurance business, and give you perhaps as well some insights about running projects we do in this sector. For me as responsible business developer, primary insurance, if I have to review the last 2 years about our business development activities, I think there were 3 major priorities. The first one was digitalization, the second one was digitalization, and the third was digitalization. So all about digitalization, about our work, and at least to find the right gap to our existing products and services. We took out all the results of our studies, of our innovation labs, and thought about what could be as part of our products, our services, to provide our clients. And for me, the most important point was from our studies that our insurance business is in a big change. It's becoming more and more a digital business. Our studies tell us that at least more than 80% of our consumers expect that their interactions to insurance companies would be fully blown digital till 2020. So our consumers' expectations are that, so we have to react. We face new possibilities, new challenges, new competitors, as we heard yesterday from Ted, the lemonade, easy products, easy services, 24/7 availability. In short, the insurance industry needs to become a digital business today. The insurance industry is not really, on my perspective, a well-known first mover industry. I think we are a little slow in change. What do you think? Okay. So, and for me, as technology drives the transformation to digital business, it must be IT to be the enabler of the new digital business models. Technology trends such as the rise of mobile connectivity, data machine learning, social network of things drives the scene, and entity data as a global consulting and IT service provider wants to shape the future with global innovations. We take digital concepts and impulses from other industries, especially from e-commerce side or automotive side, and transfer it then to financial services. Perhaps before I start, some figures about entity and entity data. Perhaps just to have a better overview. Entity, as Nippon Telephone Telegraph, founded in 1953, a well-established worldwide leading IT and telecom company with headquarters in Tokyo. We have a yearly revenue of more than $100 billion. Huge amount, worldwide greatest data center carrier. We are number 65 in the Fortune 500 ranking, and we have a global presence of 240,000 employees worldwide in 88 countries. So it's really a big ship. It's more or less a tanker, as we call it in Germany. And if you see here entity data as the consulting and IT service part of this entity group is the main digitalization driver here in the group. And we bring together a best fit and put it in our products and services. So NTT is an innovation-ready company. but perhaps two more figures. In the NTT group, we invest per year $2.5 billion only for research and development. We have employees dedicated to research and development, 6,000 people worldwide, making business development, new products, new services, and all the things. I think it's impressive. For me, it's impressive. So, as I already said, it's all about digital. And how can we chase after new trends? How can we find new services with these big tanker? The solution is there. For us, being digital is more about than technology. It's more about changing the whole mindset of an insurance company. We had in our innovation labs iCube in Palo Alto, California, and in Tokyo, Japan, people who are making studies, looking for new trends, and they share it with us in their studies, which are available as well via perhaps some information from my side, and if you need these studies, we can provide you with this. For me, one of the most impressive studies is this one, the insurance industry as a digital business. And for us, these innovation labs are more or less our speedboats. If I have this picture with a big tanker of NTT, these are our big speedboats. Always looking, finding new solutions, new trends, design prototypes along the whole value chain. Our studies from the Innovation Lab IQ, especially as a core summary, says, okay, we have a new customer behavior. A big change there. We have this digitally enhanced customer experience anytime, anywhere, and we have to react. We have to be possible to have services, products, anytime, anywhere. And second one is that the increasing customer expectations regarding digital presence across customer value chain, we need real omni-channel integration. Via all channels, we have to define new business models, new distribution models, and so on. We know that the insurance are under pressure as well for increasing effectivity, efficiency, and all the stuff in process and delivery. We are going to have an optimization potential in operations, like through digitalization by enabling self-services by the customer, straight-through processing and all the things. Why not have claims management at the end as a self-service process? For us, digitalized business have new requirements about as well the staff behavior and the culture and organization of a company. And one of our big points in all projects is to set up this new mindset in a company. If the board members are not digital equipped or not in Facebook or say, social media, it's a mess, then why should the employees, why should the customers, why should the consumers do it? So I think it's very necessary to have an innovation-ready organization through systematic change management, which we provide. We need access of all the relevant data and effective use of these data. One big point for us is as well big data, advanced analytics and all this stuff. For us, cross-selling, loyalty, retention, optimized premiums, automatic decisioning, it's all about data. And we have partners and as well entity data by itself invest a lot in big data solutions. We need to activate technology as an enabler for digital information and transformation. So the whole value chain here is, oh, sorry, I was too quick. I think that's the right one. So the whole value chain is about digital. And we have offerings and projects along this whole chain. For us, as I already mentioned, is a big outcome of these studies is how can we make our products and services better, more digital. The outcome was our P&C core insurance business insurance suite, first gen, first smart protection, in which we all our results of digitalization put in and say, okay, how should a new insurance system look like? For us, it's 100% web-based. It's an online system with high integration capabilities. It has a portal solution. It has a web shop, perhaps easy handling, like you know it from Amazon or eBay. Very easy in one click to find the right product, to have the right thing. B2B and B2C, fully integrationable to existing portals for business partners and all that stuff. We have fully mobile and responsive design. Wherever you are, access via your application. We have rule-based end-to-end processes with a maximum of self-services and automation. And we have these webshop integration for small protection products, where we say, okay, assistance products, small things like an accident insurance for 48 hours, you can have with one click your accident insurance, it's possible. But perhaps as well, we have here in Finland, a direct insurer fully equipped with our portal and solution. And if you like to go via this link as well to this, it's so easy in the handling that everyone knows Finnish. So degrees customer view all integrated inside. So get yourself ready. I think it's, I like this picture. It's a few, I always say it's the attic of Mr. HEYMANN's house, but nevertheless, I think we have to focus our sourcing. And we have to find perhaps a better way to deal with existing situations of IT. If you really go, or really see this picture, you have their cartons, you have their boxes with all stuff, you have furnitures from further removals. And I think that the best would be to burn all these things. Don't open any boxes. Don't know if you have boxes or cartons in your attic and you don't know what is inside, don't open it. But it's I think very a human style to open the things. It's you're curious and say, okay, what's inside, and you find some family pictures and you keep it. Always, and the mess begins. So you start with consolidation. You bring things from two boxes in one. You have perhaps a new storage rack where you say, okay, I structure the things new and all these things. You modelize it, you modernize it, you restructure it. But the best would be you burn it all. For us, for this digital business development part, we have a layer concept. For all these things, we, as an IT and service, IT and consultancy company, We find together with our clients the best architecture place for to restructure all these things. We have a lot of sourcing capabilities which we can provide. And if you see here in the digital business model, we support with flexible support for different governance and sourcing models. We have a flexible global sourcing out of one hand, as you already heard, entity data with his more than 80,000 employees and in 40 countries of this world presence. We can offer all the services out of one hand. We have flexible global sourcing. We have an access through global delivery. We have a network of software factories and competence center to provide our clients. Digital business as entity data. Our proposition covers the whole range of digital transformation from advisory to delivery. We, from the advisory part, we offer digital consulting, digital architecture, digital governance and organization, business analytics insights with dedicated competence centers. For us, the delivery side is digital customer experience service design. We help with process design and change, system migration and integration, network services, infrastructure, cloud solutions as a big digital transformation partner for insurance companies. I want to give you an insight of 4 running projects of entity data worldwide. Just to have a big range, I start with our Pope's Library. It's one of our biggest digitalization projects in Rome. We have there we provide the digitally archiving of more than 4,000 ancient manuscripts for public access via the Vatican Library's website. So you can go to the library, Vatican Library website. You can see all these ancient documents from the 4th till the 16th century. And if you can imagine, it's a very sensitive job with, you have white gloves on and with sensitive documents to post. And it's a 4-year project. Entity Data is providing there with the real doing, not only the system, the real doing of document management and archiving of all the things. For us, a very, very interesting project. Other example is our Primos. Primos is called Bridge Monitoring System. As you know, Japan has a lot of bridges, and I think that the bridges are in aging condition. So they started to put on every bridge a huge number of sensors. They equipped all bridges with a sensor technique which shows movements, vibrations, distortions, strains, and all this stuff for, I think, aging bridges. And all these informations came together to data center provided by Entity Data, and to optimize all these supporting and maintenance parts. And here for Entity Data in Japan, it's just one of the most important parts, because we bring together intelligent technique with cost effectiveness and security to people. So it's for us one of the main important projects because we can say we save lives perhaps. Third example, it's a German one, Daimler Financial Services. The whole credit business workflow is totally digital now. And it's not only to have a credit contract via a portal, it's more or less the handling by the staff. It's more a digital workplace, a workflow situation there, because then Daimler Financial Services employees have the possibility, wherever they are, they can deal with credit proposals, with credit management things, and coordinate the workflow, all digital. Secure, safe, I think for us as well, a very big opportunity to digitalize workplaces, workflows of in insurance and financial services companies working people. Last one, it's a digitalization portal and access internet portal solution for starting with car insurance here in Germany. Always or totally digitalized internet portal, 24 hours availability. Focus is there, the new clients, the digital natives. We have placed there new insurance products and services which are available then via iPad app solutions and connection via the whole multi-channel distribution part of the insurance company there. We have as well realized this responsive web design. We have a client area protected with password, these e-Akten symbolic thing, and all the digital communication with the client works via this new system. So as you see, the range is quite broad. We cover as a global IT innovator all the things, and I would be glad if I can provide you with further information if you want to. Thank you very much.